Hello and welcome to BoloSign. Have you ever felt that you are typing that same email again and again? Let's change that. With BoloSign email template, you can create reusable, personalized message and send documents faster than ever. To create email template, we will go to the settings, email settings, click on manage template, and here we will click on the option create new. Now we will fill the title, subject, and the body of the email template as per the requirement. Once we are done with that, we'll click on Save. As you can see, the template has been saved. Now to check this, we will go to the document and here PDF template. We'll create a new template. I'm using sample PDF. You can upload the document on which you want the signature. We'll add the role and click on confirm. Now to assign the field to our signer, we will just drag and drop. And once the whole document is set, we'll click on Save. Now here, while sending, you can see the option of email templates. We'll click on this and select the template we just created. Click on Use Template. As you can see, it is uploaded successfully. And now here in the body, we can even add the placeholder like signer name and even in the subject if you want. So, whether you are welcoming a new member or client or finalizing a vendor agreement, use the email template and save your time. You can even preview this template. We will add the signer email address and click on send. Send via email. As you can see, it is successfully sent. This is how the person will receive the agreement. The template is all set. We can click on sign now and the person is ready to sign. We'll fill the details. Once everything is set, we will click on finish. So it was that simple. I hope you understood the whole process. Thanks for watching.